A brighter smile can change the way the world sees you. When stubborn plaque and dark stains take away your confidence, every laugh feels uncomfortable. This video reveals a powerful toothpaste designed to restore a clean, radiant look by gently cleansing away years of buildup. Imagine seeing a mirror reflection that makes you proud, speaking freely without hiding your teeth. Viewers searching for quick, safe oral care solutions will discover how a simple daily habit can bring back natural shine and a fresh, healthy feeling. Number 1. New Teeth Whitening Toothpaste 5D Oral. New Teeth Whitening Toothpaste 5D Oral Hygiene Cleaning Teeth Whitening Tool. Fresh breath teeth care brings a gentle feeling of renewal each time it touches your mouth. People who feel shy when smiling often search for a simple change that restores inner confidence. Daily stains from tea, coffee, and spicy food can create embarrassment at work or social moments. This cleansing paste supports cleaner enamel and promotes a fresher breath sensation, helping you speak comfortably during close conversations. A brighter appearance influences first impressions, guiding others to see you as friendly and healthy. The creamy texture reaches hidden spaces and lifts dull marks that make teeth look aged. Consistent brushing builds a habit that transforms your oral care routine into a moment of self-love. Investing in a quality toothpaste creates lasting satisfaction, because caring for your smile means caring for your future happiness. Number 2. Teeth Brighten Toothpaste Plaque Stain Removal. Niacinamide Teeth Brighten Toothpaste Plaque Stain Removal Repair carries reduce bad breath. Lasting fresh tooth whitening powder inspires a renewed sense of self every time you brush. Many people feel disappointed when yellow marks and plaque build up, creating hesitation to smile openly. Daily brushing with a whitening paste can encourage a more radiant appearance and cleaner enamel. A healthy mouth boosts self-esteem and allows confident conversations in close distance without worry of unpleasant odor. This gentle formula helps lift stubborn surface stains from tea or coffee and supports cavity prevention. Over time, the creamy texture promotes a polished look that reflects light more beautifully. Customers searching for long-lasting freshness and reliable oral hygiene will appreciate how this product can complement their existing care routine. Investing in an effective paste is like investing in personal joy, because a bright smile can open doors and form unforgettable first impressions. Number 3. Hydroxyapatite Teeth Whitening Powder. Hydroxyapatite Teeth Whitening Powder Activated Charcoal Deep Cleaning Teeth Powder Tooth Stain Remover. Natural fresh breath invites a feeling of renewal for anyone who hides their smile because of dull enamel. Dark marks from daily food and drinks can slowly steal confidence until laughing or speaking becomes uncomfortable. A caring oral routine with a whitening powder can gently help remove stubborn discoloration and leave the mouth feeling cleaner. Many people dream of a bright appearance that reflects health and positivity during interviews, dates, or family moments. This cleansing powder works with simple brushing habits to support fresh breath and a polished look without harsh effort. When teeth appear brighter, the entire face feels more vibrant, encouraging natural self-expression. Choosing a whitening solution shows self-respect and dedication to personal care. Each use becomes a small step toward a future where every conversation begins with a confident and joyful smile. Number 4. Teeth Whitening Powder. Natural Whitening. Teeth Whitening Powder. Natural whitening and deep cleaning powder. Teeth Stain Remover. Natural fresh breath speaks to anyone longing for a radiant smile without discomfort. Many people feel embarrassed when stubborn yellow layers and plaque gather, making simple conversations feel awkward. A thoughtful brushing routine using a gentle whitening powder can help lift dull marks caused by tea or coffee and encourage a cleaner appearance. Fresh breath and brighter enamel can boost confidence at work, social gatherings, or romantic moments. Each application becomes a reminder of self-care, reinforcing positive emotions and inner pride. Customers who dream of an attractive smile will appreciate how consistent use can support a polished look and cleaner mouth. Choosing a quality powder shows commitment to personal wellness and long-term oral health. A confident expression can create lasting first impressions and inspire deeper connections with others, helping every moment feel more joyful. Number 5. Teeth Brightening Whitening Powder Deep Cleaning Remove. Teeth Brightening Whitening Powder Deep Cleaning Remove Plaque Stains. Dental Calculus Oral Hygiene. Deep cleaning fresh breath encourages a renewed sense of self for anyone who hides their smile behind closed lips. Daily habits like tea, spicy meals, and smoking can leave stubborn discoloration that affects confidence in personal or professional settings. A whitening powder can support cleaner enamel and lighter shades, helping the mouth feel refreshed after every brush. When breath smells pleasant, conversations become easier and more enjoyable. Many people long for a polished appearance that reflects good health and creates positive first impressions. Caring for teeth can transform emotional well-being, because a bright smile often inspires happiness and self-assurance. This cleansing product can complement a consistent routine, gradually improving oral hygiene and reducing embarrassment caused by buildup. Investing in this powder shows dedication to personal care and long-term wellness, encouraging a future filled with joyful laughter and meaningful connections.